Hello, this is from PickledLove, and this time you're going to see an easy 2-layer dragon fruit jelly sweet. This is slightly sweet, but it's very healthy and so tasty you'll keep on making it once you try this. For this you need very few ingredients, basically fresh dragon fruit which should be ripe, then some maida or wheat flour or common all-purpose flour. For the first layer, you need to roast all-purpose flour or wheat. For this, you need to sprinkle in a little salt, and on a medium flame, you need to roast the flour until the nuttiness and the raw smell of the flour disappears. As you can see, it should become a toasted color. Till then, you need to keep on stirring so that it gets evenly toasted. Once that's done, take some butter, salted butter or unsalted butter, it doesn't make a difference. You'll have to melt it in the microwave and keep it aside. Then take in the bowl that you need to shape your jelly. Arrange in your roasted flour, pour in your melted butter, mix it well and leave it to set evenly. Tap it in so that there is no gap between the flour. There shouldn't be space because then when you cut it into 2 layers it may break. So spread it evenly and keep it in the fridge for at least 3 hours until it sets. Next we take our ripe dragon fruit. Dragon fruits are readily available in any supermarket and even in season. I have this fruit in my garden because I'm constantly cultivating it and harvesting it. So since this is in the season now, I thought of making this recipe. For this you'll also need any plain flavored gelatin, and pour in a little cold water in a bowl. Add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of gelatin and leave it to bloom. All the recipe ingredients, measurements and the directions can be found in the description link below. So make sure that you click it so that you can get a full review of the recipe and you can even print it. After leaving the gelatin to bloom, you need to take the sugar, melt it in a saucepan with a little water and then add in your dragon fruit. This is so that you get a sugary cooked dragon fruit pulp that has to be the next layer. So once this boils and becomes a uniform pulp, add in your gelatin which has already bloomed by now. Let it boil in for another 5 to 8 minutes and then leave it to cool for 10 minutes. Once that's done, add it to your first layer of roasted flour. Once that's done, you'll need to keep it in the fridge until it sets. This will take about 6 to 8 hours until it sets. Make sure that you give it a like and do subscribe if you need more recipes from my side. I'll give you more such rare, interesting and very healthy, easy recipes in the future. So don't forget to click on the bell icon if you need to subscribe. Only if you subscribe you will be getting many recipes. As you can see in the clip, my jelly has come out beautifully and I've cut it into a great slice. This can be served with ice cream and trust me, your children will like it. You can even pack it up for tiffins. Hope you liked it and see you soon with the next recipe. Thank you.